Congratulations! First video, new channel. Made a lot of other channels. This is probably the one I'm going to stick with from now on. My name is Miles. I am a random derp, and yeah. Excuse me for using the word derp there. I know that meme has kind of grown old by now, but I'm trash. Okay, I am Tumblr trash. In real life, if you have a Tumblr, you can smell the Tumblr on me. You can smell it. Also, if anybody knows what the channel Venturian Tale is, you can smell that too. The whole reason I'm making this channel, my pet bird is making noise right now, but the whole reason I'm making this channel is for the sake of making a video for Venturian, or a few videos for Venturian. This is literally just going to be a Venturian Tale fan channel. Yes. That's pretty much all for the intro video. Peace. I clicked the wrong button. Let's try this again. Peace. Again, I pressed the wrong button. Let's try this one more time. Peace.